The Capital One debit card offers cashback like no other debit card that I've seen. Most cashback debit cards offer cashback on like maybe 20 to 50 different companies. Some even provide low cashback on everything, like Discover's 1% cashback debit card. When it comes to high cashback on specific companies though, I honestly don't think anyone beats Capital One. It's got maybe 1,500 different companies that it offers cashback for. Wild. Let's jump in, I'll show you the pros and cons of this account, and I'm gonna share a bonus way for you to get cashback at the end of this video. So the Capital One 360 checking account. It's a great online checking account with no monthly fees or minimums. Sheesh, I'm sounding a lot like the Capital One guy right now.
Say no fees or minimums on your Capital One checking account.
It's got a lot of good upsides to the account. Again, no fees. I love this. I've been testing out a number of other accounts, and it drives me nuts when I have to fulfill a certain number of things every month to get fees waived. Like it has to receive a certain amount in direct deposit, or you have to have a minimum daily balance. I hate it. I get why they do that, but I still hate it. But that's not an issue with Capital One, so props to them. This account gives you access to 70,000 ATMs nationwide fee-free. This is like 10 to 30,000 more fee-free ATMs than most other debit cards that I review. You can also pay bills through the app, either electronically or having them send a physical check. That's awesome, because then you don't have to use a stamp. You can link this checking account up with a savings account and set up automatic savings rules like regular transfers to your savings account, as well as like a percentage of each direct deposit getting sent to savings, all while getting 3.6% APY. And hey, mobile check deposit is a nice feature too. Even if you're young and the last time you saw a check was like a big cardboard one at a charity event. And of course, this account is FDIC insured. Overall, this is a pretty simple account with some good but fairly conventional features across the board, except the debit card. The debit card offers cashback at an insane number of companies. I'm talking over 1,500 different companies. Now, there's some pros and cons to this. Pros, if you're shopping for something, chances are you can probably find it at one of the companies on the Capital One list of cashback offers. And the cashback tends to be pretty good. Like the vast majority of offers are at least 4%, many reaching even the 10 to 20% mark depending on the industry. Many of them are also big brands. Right now you can get 1% at Target, 4% at Dick's Sporting Goods, 2% at Apple, 3% at Home Depot. Okay, here's the cons. No consistent cashback across all the companies. Ultimately, it's not that big of a deal, but I really like the Discover Cashback debit card because it's 1% across the board, regardless of what you're buying or where you're buying it from. With Capital One, you have to find the offer. You also have to shop online through the Capital One system to get credit for it. So you can't just like walk into Target, pay with the Capital One debit card, and then get cashback for it. No, you have to go to Capital One, you have to log in, you have to find the Target cashback offer, and then you have to say shop now. Click shop, not just say it. Shop now. Come on, you stupid thing. Shop. Then it'll take you to Target's website where you can make the order. While Capital One offers a lot of options for getting cashback, they don't exactly make it the easiest to acquire. I used this card to purchase a small solo stove on December 3rd and it offered 5% cashback. I received the cashback in the form of an account deposit on January 7th. So it did take some time, but I don't know if they wait until the next month to give cashback for the prior month's eligible purchases. Maybe. I know that some cards have done it this way. Like even the Discover card, you don't get all of your cashback until the first day of the following month. Now, the last con about how they handle cashback is this. The cashback offers shift many times on a daily basis. I mean, it is quick. I've seen cashback offered for one company go from 5% down to 2% up to 9% all within a couple days. I don't know why it does this. It doesn't make sense to me, but it's hard to plan on getting cashback if you don't know how much you'll get or when. Just keep that in mind. Having said that, I do have a searchable tool that you can use to find cashback offers that you care about through Capital One. Now let's switch to younger Caleb describing this. Did you know that I have a tool I designed for you to find the debit card with the best cashback for the companies that you regularly shop at? The answer is an emphatic yes, and it's free. I made this because I realized there are so many cashback debit cards I reviewed, and it's really difficult to know which debit card offers cashback at the store I'm about to shop at without taking a ton of time to search all the banks for their cashback offers. So I made a Google sheet and filled in over 1,800 companies with their cashback offered across a bunch of different debit cards. I'm continuing to improve it by updating cashback, adding more cards, and adding features. Just click the link in the description down below, put in your email address, and I'll send it directly to your inbox. When you open it through your email, all you have to do is Control F and search the sheet for your favorite companies to see which debit cards offer cashback. I've already used this a ton of times myself. It's way easier than the old way of searching for all the offers on all the different bank accounts. So whether you're trying to find what cashback is offered through your debit card or trying to find which debit card to get next, click the link below. All right, back to the video. Now, when I do these reviews, I do like to mention things that are particularly unique to the account that I'm reviewing. One thing about this debit card won't apply to everyone, but it is pretty fun. Capital One has 55 different Café days across the nation in large cities. It's just like any other coffee shop, except if you use a Capital One credit or debit card, you'll get 50% off handcrafted drinks, which makes it a little easier to justify going and getting coffee if you live close to one. We have one in Columbus, haven't tried it yet, but probably gonna hit it at some point. Okay, having said all this, I do like the Capital One 360 checking account. It is easy to use and has pretty decent cashback through the debit card, but the type of cashback that it offers is a little difficult to use sometimes. I don't like that you can't physically use the debit card in a store and get cashback for it. You have to go to Capital One system and use it online. So from all my testing, I'll tell you about one thing that's been more helpful for me to actually save money: the Capital One shopping app and browser extension. I'm not gonna lie, I signed up for this because they had a promotion, but I've actually used this on a ton of purchases that I was already making. Basically, it has a lot of offers, just like the cashback debit card, but they're definitely not always the same offer. Sometimes they're smaller, sometimes they're larger. I don't remember what the debit card offer was, but around Christmas, we ordered some Christmas cards from Vistaprint, and we got 30% cash back through the Capital One shopping app. Ultimately, the offers are just a lot easier to find and use than the ones with the debit card, because if you have the extension installed on your laptop or phone, it'll let you know when you're shopping on a site that has cash back through their shopping platform. Then all you have to do is activate the offer and buy with any debit card. It doesn't even have to be the Capital One card. The cashback gets added to your Capital One shopping account, and you can just redeem it for a gift card. We've done it for Airbnb, which is pretty sweet. Personally, I'm a bigger fan of this because it's lower maintenance and a lot easier to use, but I will say the combination of the shopping extension and the debit card can get you pretty decent cashback. So check it out. I've got links for both in the description down below, along with my cashback debit card tool. And if you use my link to sign up for Capital One shopping, you'll get a $40 account credit when you install the extension and then keep it for 90 days. If you do sign up for either of these, let me know what you think. All right, if you want more content like this, subscribe here. Check out my top 10 favorite cashback debit cards of 2025 right here, or watch this video next.